Come with me to Dollar Tree and let me show you some of my favorite items for home decor projects to must-haves for everyday use. When you go to Dollar Tree, be sure and go check out the candle section. I found these really pretty glass candle holders. They look very high-end and they're only $1.25. So I have to say this is one of my top items to buy at Dollar Tree. Not very often, but sometimes you find these decorative round candles that have this print on them. Here at my store, they only had these two. I have a project in mind, so I picked up the white one. So please stay tuned for the upcoming video. I also found these here, and also they have this really pretty print on them. So before you buy any candles anywhere, check out the Dollar Tree candle section. And also in the automotive section, you find so many great things like these metal pole handles. They have them in gold. And they also have them in the black color. Now they also have this different style, and this is also in black. I love these. I've used these in different projects around my house. Now they also have these hooks here that look so high-end. They have them in silver and also in black. These are my top favorites from Dollar Tree. And these felt pads are also one of my favorites. You need to pick these up. They come in really handy. And oh my goodness, this drain rooter is just the best. I love using this. Instead of using all these harsh chemicals in your clogged up sinks, use these. They really do work well. And these paint brushes, they come in a pack of 3, work great for small jobs around your house. They're not the best quality, but they're good enough to use on crafts and things like that. Speaking of crafts, this is one of the items that I use all the time. These sanding blocks are great. The wood glue is also a really good item from here. I use it all the time as well. Oh my goodness, every time I come across these paint kits, I pick up at least 2 or 3 because these are such a great value. If you come across them, pick some up. I guarantee you, you will use them around the house. Painter's tape is also a good item to buy here at Dollar Tree. Super glues are also really good from here. This is where I always get my glues. These storage bags are great to store your purses. I use these large ones and also the extra large. The extra large, I use them for my large totes. They keep the dust off my purses. And one reason that I like these clear storage bags is because I can actually see my purses. A lot of times the purses come with dust bags and you really can't see what purse it is, or at least I forget. So you have to actually take the purse out. This way, no, it's a clear bag and you get to see what purse is in there. Now this is one of my favorite items, these mesh bags. They come in a pack of 3. You can use these in so many different ways, but this is how I use mine. I use these in the washer. What I do is put my undergarments in the little bag and then just throw it in the wash. Everything stays intact and it doesn't get tangled with the rest of the clothing. This is a must-have. Last but not least, all of these cleaning essential items work great. I especially love this 2-in-1 bathroom mop head with a handle. It comes in so handy to clean the tile in my bathroom. I love to use that. And I have all of these cleaning pads as well. They work really good. These are just some of my favorite items from Dollar Tree. I have others. I just didn't want to make this video too long. I hope that you enjoyed this video. You have yourself a blessed day, and I will see you on my next video. So bye-bye and God bless.